Welcome to this podcast on breastfeeding challenges, where we will empower new and expecting mothers on how to take this adventure of motherhood in a very beautiful manner. Hi friends, this is Teenath and I'm here to dive into a very important subject, very crucial, yet not discussed quite often, and that is on prenatal breastfeeding sessions. And joining me today is Dr. Saroj Tiwari. She is a pediatrician. She is a new mother happiness coach. She is lactation support consultant, and she has helped a lot of mothers, in fact, countless number of mothers, to prepare and to succeed in their breastfeeding journey. And today what we will do is, we are going to delve into this very important subject that breastfeeding should start before the birth of the child and not after the birth of the child. So if you are an expecting mother or a father, a new mom and dad, and if you are supporting a mom-to-be, then this episode is for you. Let's delve into it. So Dr. Saroj Tiwari, I would like to ask you a question. You always keep saying that 9 out of 10 mothers always keep struggling to do their breastfeeding in the early days. Why do you think this happens?
First of all, thank you, Teenath, for this wonderful introduction of mine. Thank you so much. Teenath, as you know that I deal with new mother. Lot of new mothers every day come to me. And I have seen that almost everyone struggles to breastfeed during the early days. This is not because they don't know how to feed, because feed is already there, because there are some misinformation that दूध आएगा नहीं, breastfeeding is very difficult, होगा ही नहीं. The people around you keep telling कि formula feed रख लो, क्या पता दूध आए नहीं आए, and I get messages कि मैम कौन सा दूध रखना है before the delivery. So just to think that is the mindset of a mother कि that negative mindset they enter motherhood that मैं दूध नहीं पिला पाऊंगी, that I will not be able to breastfeed my baby. वो जो नेगेटिव माइंडसेट होता है एंड उस तरह से मदर अपने ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग के जर्नी में जाती है. सी वी प्रिपेयर सो मच थ्रू आउट द प्रेगनेंसी. हम डॉक्टर्स को विजिट करते हैं, फिर हम देखते हैं कि बच्चों का बैग प्रिपेयर करते हैं, बच्चों का रूम प्रिपेयर करते हैं. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, टेल मी, आप बच्चे को दूध पिलाओगे, द फूड वी डोंट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. दैट्स व्हाई most of the mother fail, because they enter motherhood with a negative mindset.
Oh wow. I never really thought about this. हम लोग सब कुछ prepare करते हैं, but we don't prepare the food.
Yeah,
right?
we don't prepare for the food.
So, Dr. Saroj, I have a very important question, and it has been in my mind. I have seen my family members also going through the same thing. Like new mothers, they have this fear that they'll not be able to produce enough milk. How can we bust this myth?
Very, very important and valid question, and relatable too, because most of the mother think like that only. With a negative mindset, they enter and they have a fear that I'll not be able to produce enough milk. So tell me one thing, if a mother can make baby, भाई एक पूरा baby को you are producing, so will not you be able to produce milk? Because God has given that already. चलो वो हम भूल जाते हैं. We come to the scientific way. So when your baby is growing inside you, your body is working. Okay. So your uterus is becoming bigger because your baby is growing. And from the same time, from the second trimester, your milk starts producing.
Oh, okay.
From second trimester, so how can it not be present at birth? The only thing is, in a scientific way, there are two hormones which is responsible for this breastfeeding. One is prolactin, one is oxytocin. So when you enter your motherhood in a positive way and you think that yes, I can breastfeed that my baby, ये prolactin and oxytocin works.
Wow.
So this prolactin is for making the breast milk. So when the baby sucks, more prolactin gets produced. So जितना baby suck करेगा, उतना prolactin secrete होगा, उतना breast milk बनेगा. And the most important part is, जो बोलते हैं दूध नहीं आ रहा है, that is oxytocin. So oxytocin is when जो दूध आपके breast में है वो आने के लिए to the mouth of the baby, that is called oxytocin reflex. So when mother is confident, when baby sucks, and when she is without fear and doubt, the milk comes from breast to baby's milk. So if you are in pain, if you are not confident, and if you think that my milk is not going to come, actually it is not not going to come.
So I think nervousness plays a certain thing.
More
here.
than nervousness,
Yes.
I'll say that because new mother is in pain.
Is in pain.
She's
doubtful.
in pain, she's doubtful, she is in a negative mindset.
Mhm.
All this has a scientific way of inhibiting, मतलब oxytocin reflex को रोक देते हैं.
Oh.
So that's why we tell that go with a confidence. Think that you can breastfeed your baby and you will.
And I think the mother should be very relaxed also at the same time.
See, it's very easy to say when you have this normal delivery or cesarean and you have this pain. But the only thing is that you have, आपने अपना 9 महीना दिया है for nurturing your baby. So this is the time जब वो बाहर आ रहा है, why not nurture the baby with the, हम बोलते हैं इसको अमृत. So breast milk is the अमृत. So give it to your baby with full confidence.
Wow. Superb, superb. So, Dr. Tiwari, there is one particular question that I'm very interested in, and that is, how does breastfeeding benefit both the child and the mother and beyond nutrition? I'm sure nutrition, the child will get the nutrition obviously, but what are the other benefits?
Actually breastfeeding जो होता है ना, it's like it is like amazing thing how a woman can make a food. And I'll tell that breastfeeding is breast milk is not only food, it's a medicine because it has so many nutrient factors के साथ immunity providing, and so many cells are there. If we will talk, I think we can go on for
Forever.
for maybe forever. But beyond nutrition, of course, breast milk is a medicine for the baby because it protects from so many diseases. So many diseases baby gets protected. It protects from allergy. जो बच्चे breastfeeding करते हैं उनको allergy नहीं होती है. In the long run, उनको डायबिटीज, टाइप 2 डायबिटीज mellitus ये सब नहीं होती है. And for the mother, you mother, please listen to this, that if you breastfeed your baby, you will be protected from breast and ovarian cancer.
Wow.
Apart from losing your fat, जो कि आपने during delivery सब मुझसे आके पूछते हैं मैम कैसे दुबला होना है. So if you want to lose your fat and don't catch this cancers of breast and ovary, go for breastfeeding.
Wow, that was like, I hope listeners, you're listening to this because this is one of the best kind of solutions that I've seen for slimming down. I think I need to again become pregnant and I need to slim down as well. So Dr. Saroj Tiwari, I have a very important question. How will these prenatal breastfeeding sessions help the mother in her confidence and successfully breastfeeding her child?
As we have discussed that मदर की जो साइकोलॉजी होती है, सो सपोज आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती, सो आई आस्क यू टू गो इन द पूल, you will be nervous, scared, nervous, and suppose you know swimming and I ask you to go, what will be the difference?
I will jump in and start swimming.
So you will be confident.
Very confident.
Same as like that. So we think that breastfeeding, जैसे ही बच्चा पैदा होगा and there will be this magical moment and the child will start latching and सब कुछ will be magical. होता है, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ 9 out of 10 mother fail but 1 mother succeeds. It's because not कि वो नहीं सकती है. Every mother has the instinct and mother से भी ज़्यादा baby knows how to do breastfeeding. But जब mother की psychology affect हो जाती है and in today's world there are so many distractions. सब कोई बोलेगा आपका दूध नहीं है, फिर पेन होगा, फिर फॉर्मूला फीड देने का प्रेशर होगा एंड फाइनली आफ्टर ट्राइंग एंड आप बिस्तर पे पड़े हो आफ्टर सिजेरियन यू कैन नॉट मूव, समबडी इज हेल्पिंग यू टू फीड एंड आपका वो कॉन्फिडेंस लो हो जाता है. बट इफ यू नो पहले से कि यस ड्यूरिंग दिस आफ्टर बर्थ first hour is very important because colostrum come.
Yes.
Latching is not कि आप एक बार में सकोगे, you have to try and you should know the common challenges कि ये challenges आ सकते हैं. If you know that, you will go and you'll accept the challenges कि हाँ these are the challenges and I will do it and I can do it. So we prepare कि आपको क्या क्या expect करना है, what are the importance of breastfeeding, how to latch and what to expect. And one important thing which I'll tell later is the golden hour. The golden hour is the first hour after birth, and what happens we'll discuss in the next session.
Wow.
So breastfeeding, prenatal breastfeeding session is a game changer for nowadays mother, because they have so many things to think about. कि breastfeeding जब बच्चा डिलीवर हो जाता है, they are at a loss. अब क्या करें? अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, अब फॉर्मूला फीड दे देते हैं. So here we fail as a doctor, as a society, and as a partner. So we have to empower new mother.
Wonderful. This is like the best answer that I've ever got. So, Dr. Tiwari, there's another very important question that's come into my mind, and this is about prenatal breastfeeding sessions. You have said that every mother needs to take this, prepare themselves while she's pregnant or maybe preparing for a pregnancy. But what if the mother has already delivered and now she's struggling to breastfeed? What about that?
Yes, that's a very smart question, because now what I'm doing, most of the mother are coming after delivering their baby and they struggle.
Okay.
The basic understanding in physiology is same. You need to be confident. And I always say to new mothers that you already have the milk, you already can breastfeed. Just आपको वो एक confidence चाहिए. And sometimes what I do is मैं just थोड़ा सा latching का position. The mothers are doing great, but the constant pressure from the family, friends, तुम्हारा बच्चा रो रहा है, तुमको दूध नहीं आ रहा है, like the constant putting doubt in the mother's mind कि why the baby is crying.
She loses confidence, I think.
Whatever she is doing, she loses it. And sometimes what I have to do is just talk to her, show her that आपके बच्चे का weight बढ़ रहा है. The baby is being like passing urine 6 or 7 times. So why you are worrying? Then she gets the confidence.
Achha.
So you need to be confident, you need to be positive, and you need to visit the doctor or the consultant to check if your baby is gaining weight. If the baby is passing urine 6 times, you are already feeding well. And if कुछ इधर उधर है latching problem, then we are there to help.
Obviously, yes, superb. That's so good. So, mothers, I hope you
Yes.
know this, so you know who to come to. That is Dr. Saroj Tiwari.
जहाँ भी जाए, but please visit a doctor to check before starting formula feed.
Right. So, Dr. Tiwari, please tell me, what should an expecting mother do to prepare herself in the last trimester for a successful breastfeeding? What are the things she should do?
See, I always say this, that an expecting mother should do 3 things. Okay. First one is educate herself. Second is prepare her support system. And third is utilize the golden hour after birth. So let me explain it one by one. Educate herself is attend a prenatal breastfeeding sessions. Know about the colostrum, the first latch, what are the common challenges, and educate yourself more so that you are less confused and more confident.
Right.
Number 2 is prepare your support system. So Tina कहते हैं कि it requires a village to raise a children, but nowadays we live in a nuclear family. But you have your partner, you have your family members, and you have your friends. Talk to them that you want to breastfeed and you need their support. Talk to your doctor. Talk to a lactation consultant beforehand जब आप educate कर रहे हो अपने आप को. And number 3 is, and in the most important, the first hour. जो first golden hour होता है, that is very important. So the breastfeeding should be initiated. The baby should be in skin to skin contact with the mother.
Okay.
So most of the time what happens when baby is delivered, they are taken away. And breastfeeding sometimes gets delayed. So you talk to the doctor that I need my baby after delivery with my skin to skin contact. I want to initiate the breastfeeding, and believe me, if that initial period में breastfeeding established हो जाती है and you know that you can, then you are unstoppable. Your journey as a mother, as a breastfeeding mother, will begin that very time, that very hour.
Wow. Superb. These are like, I'm sure if you're listening carefully and taking notes, these are very, very important anecdotes that Dr. Saroj Tiwari is saying, and you must keep this in mind, especially the mother who is expecting. So I think you've given some invaluable information. Wow, what a conversation. I am feeling totally enlightened. Thank you so much, Dr. Saroj Tiwari. But what is your final comments for the viewers?
My final comments, before becoming before being a doctor, a lactation consultant and a new mother happiness coach, I have been a mother twice and I have breastfed too. I know those sleepless nights जब सो नहीं पाते हैं and sometimes you are so tired, you feel like giving up, but the only thing which keeps it going is the confidence. I had that confidence that I can breastfeed. That's why I can. So when a new mother is informed, empowered and prepared, she steps into motherhood with such confidence that yes, I am going to breastfeed and I will. That is the game changer.
Wow, that's amazing. So thank you so much, Dr. Saroj Tiwari, for these invaluable, I would not say valuable, but invaluable insights. And for the listeners, if you found this episode valuable, then I would suggest that you drop a message, review this particular episode, pass it on to a mom-to-be, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more empowering conversations.
Exactly. For more of these empowering conversations, you need to subscribe so that you can keep getting more of these enlightening insights from Dr. Saroj.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.